Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. Today, we'll discuss a topic that's been getting much attention in the blockchain business. Pulsechain is a new and innovative blockchain tool gaining popularity quickly and reaching new heights. This video examines how Pulsechain became a top 10 chain, with a TVL reaching nearly $500 million. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Tune in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comment section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking it if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. How Pulsechain started. To understand Pulsechain's rise, we must look at how it started. Pulsechain was started by Richard Hart, a well-known member of the cryptocurrency industry. It aims to solve some of the biggest problems with current blockchain networks, such as high transaction fees and the inability to grow. Pulsechain is built on the Ethereum network, which gives it access to its strong infrastructure and active community. When the economy was in a slump last year, the total value locked in DeFi dried up. At the same time, yields were at an all-time low. As a result, the DeFi average price, which reflected how DeFi was performing on Ethereum, plummeted as well. Things began to improve in 2023. However, there is no discernible trend in the big picture, with the exception of the DeFi movement on Ethereum. According to the most recent Crypto.com news, the DeFi market cap index increased by 3.04% during the week of May 10 to 16 volume, and volatility, on the other hand, were also negative, coming in at minus 10.58% and minus 29.99%, respectively. Unique features and innovations. Pulsechain has become more popular because it has unique features and new ways of doing things that set it apart from other blockchain platforms. The following are unique things that led to Pulsechain's success and made it a game changer in its business. The sacrifice phase. The sacrifice phase is one of Pulsechain's most important new ideas. During this phase, users can trade their current cryptocurrencies for Pulse, the Pulsechain blockchain's native token. This one-of-a-kind system incentivizes early adopters and sets up a strong network effect, so everyone wins. Strategies for scalability. Pulsechain solves the problem that many blockchain networks have with being able to grow. Pulsechain uses the Ethereum network's strong infrastructure to apply multiple ways to improve scalability and transaction throughput. These solutions are meant to help users have a smooth experience and make room for more users. Low fees to do business. Transaction fees have been a worry for a long time in the blockchain world. Pulsechain solves this problem by making sure that transaction fees stay cheap. This approach makes Pulsechain a good choice for users who want to make transactions quickly and cheaply. Planning in the community. Pulsechain builds a strong sense of community and actively encourages people to participate in platform growth. Members of the community can help shape how Pulsechain changes by giving their thoughts, feedback, and knowledge. This approach, driven by the community, ensures that the platform stays in line with the needs and preferences of its users. Environmental sustainability. Along with its technological innovations, Pulsechain puts a lot of stress on protecting the environment. Pulsechain uses the proof-of-stake consensus method to use less energy and leave less of an impact on the environment. People who know how blockchain technology affects the environment like this eco-friendly method. Options for finance without a central bank. Because of its unique features and new ideas, Pulsechain could catalyze decentralized finance uses. It is a great tool for DeFi solutions like decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming because it is scalable, has low transaction fees, and can work with other blockchains. Pulsechain thrives in the market. On a weekly basis, most approaches have witnessed a little increase in TVL. On a daily basis, however, 8 out of 10 of them displayed red figures. Pulsechain was one of the 2 exceptions to the norm. Pulsechain was able to increase the number of funds locked on its platform by 37.52% with only PulseX on board. The TVL was valued at $462.58 million at the time of publication. It's worth noting that the Pulsechain blockchain, as well as its native DeFi swap PulseX, became online on Saturday, May 13, 2023. PulseX is a native swap utility that allows Pulsechain users to exchange tokens. So in less than 10 days since its inception, Pulsechain has risen to the top 10. What Pulsechain has to offer? So why do so many people seem drawn to Pulsechain? One of the main reasons is that it can bring in a lot of money. Participants can trade their current cryptocurrencies for a proportional number of Pulse tokens. Since Pulsechain is still young, investors who believe in the project's promise have an exciting chance to invest their money. Total value locked TVL growth. Pulsechain's progress as a host can be measured by its total value locked, the amount of capital locked in the platform. Pulsechain has already made it into the top 10 chains regarding TVL, and the number is getting closer to a staggering $500 million. This shows that people are becoming more sure of and interested in Pulsechain. Implications that affect the blockchain industry? As we look into how Pulsechain is growing, it is important to understand how it affects the blockchain business as a whole. Pulsechain's success and new ways of doing things have far-reaching effects beyond its ecosystem. Let's look at some of the most important things this means for the blockchain business as a whole. Fees for transactions and the chance to grow. Scalability and high transaction costs are two major problems with many blockchain networks that Pulsechain tries to solve. Pulsechain sets a standard for other blockchain systems by developing new ways to deal with these problems. It stresses the importance of finding flexible solutions that make it easier for more people to adopt and use them while keeping transaction costs low. Competition and new ideas. The rise of Pulsechain is good for competition in the blockchain business. As Pulsechain grows in fame and gets more users, it pushes other blockchain projects to develop new ideas and step up their game to stay competitive. This competition moves technology forward, making blockchain systems better and more useful. Results of community development and networking. The success of Pulsechain shows how successful community building and strong network effects can be. During the sacrifice phase, Pulsechain builds a loyal and active group by rewarding early users. This shows how important community support is to the success and growth of blockchain projects. Pulsechain's focus on the community can teach other blockchain platforms how to focus on getting loyal users. Options and the economics of tokens. The rise of Pulsechain has given crypto fans new ways to spend their money. The sacrifice phase is a one-of-a-kind chance to join the game early and get Pulse coins. This business chance shows how the changing nature of tokenomics in blockchain projects can attract investors who want to make money. Perception and confidence in the market. Pulsechain's success helps build trust and credibility in the blockchain business. As Pulsechain moves up the ranks and hits big milestones, it shows how blockchain projects have the potential to change the way traditional systems work and become widely accepted. This success story gets rid of doubts and makes blockchain technology look better. Adoption and real-world applications. Pulsechain's rise helps the blockchain business and encourages more industries to use blockchain technology. As more people and organizations learn about what Pulsechain and similar platforms can do for them, they may decide to use blockchain technology in their activities. This slow but steady acceptance trend makes blockchain technology more important and useful. The rise of Pulsechain has been nothing short of amazing. TVL says it has quickly grown from a small start to one of the top 10 chains. Investors and fans alike are interested in Pulsechain because of its unique features and new ways of doing things. Seeing how things are going in this field right now, it's clear that Pulsechain will have a long-lasting effect on the blockchain business. So here was all of it. Let's just wrap up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.